Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our 2 pounds of beef chuck. Cut it into 1-inch cubes. Think of them as bite-sized pieces that'll be perfect for your spoon. Season them generously with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper, making sure each piece gets its fair share. You'll want them evenly coated for the best flavor. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. When you see light wisps of smoke, that's your signal to start searing the beef. Work in batches. Overcrowding is your enemy here. Each batch should take about 3 to 4 minutes per side until you get that beautiful brown crust. A golden brown color is what we're looking for. This is where all the flavor comes from. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now, in the same pot with all those delicious brown bits, add your chopped medium yellow onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Let them sweat it out for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll know they're ready when the onions become translucent and soft. That's your checkpoint. Time to add 3 cloves of minced garlic to the pot. Give it about 30 seconds until you can smell that wonderful garlic aroma filling your kitchen. Don't let it go longer, or it might burn and turn bitter. Add 1/4 cup of tomato paste and stir it around. This is where magic happens. Cook it for about 2 minutes until it darkens slightly and starts to stick to the bottom of the pot. This caramelization adds incredible depth to your stew. Return all that beautiful brown beef to the pot. Then pour in 6 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of red wine, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add 2 thyme sprigs and 2 bay leaves. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 1.5 hours. You'll know the beef is ready when it's fork tender. Add 1 pound of halved baby potatoes to the pot. These little guys need about 30–40 minutes to become tender. You can easily check by piercing one with a fork. It should slide right through. Time for quality control. Fish out those bay leaves and thyme sprigs. They've done their job. Now, stir in 1 cup of frozen peas. They'll cook in just a few minutes from the residual heat. This is where you become the chef. Taste and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and pepper as needed. Remember, every great chef tastes their food before serving. Finally, ladle this beautiful stew into bowls. The sauce should be rich and slightly thickened. If it's too thin, let it simmer uncovered for a few more minutes. Top with fresh parsley for that perfect finishing touch. Serve your masterpiece while it's hot. The beef should be so tender it practically melts in your mouth. A piece of crusty bread on the side wouldn't hurt. You'll want to soak up every last drop of that amazing sauce. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.